In this video, you're going to learn how to create a lesson from the imported asset and then how to create a knowledge portal from it. So let's start to create a lesson by going to the app and then choose import 3D asset. And here you can choose upload your own models, or you can go to My Jobs and then find the asset that you have imported previously on the desktop. And here you can set the category for this lesson and then just press the build button to start the lesson. So now we're going to see how we can create a knowledge portal using voice recognition. So we start the app and we start to put it into AR mode by using the button on the left side with the AR on it. So you can anchor the object first and then push this button to go into one-to-one mode. And this is to make this object in real scale. And here you can use your device and look around and see the model. And by choosing the plus button here, you can start to add a voice recognition portal using this button here. So the first thing we need to do is to set the annotation point. And when you have chosen the annotation point, you just click OK. And now you can speak in the name for this knowledge portal. So we're going to say something, and it will say, how does the fridge work, for example. And we can then choose to either create just a label for this point, or you can attach media to this annotation as well. So we're going to use the later one. So add annotation media, and the app will use the words that you have spoken to search internet for media. So here is the result, and then we just pick one that we want. And there are multiple media being queried. So we have text, we have images, and we have video. So for the image, we can pick one here. And for the video, we can also to pick one of this here. And then you just press the add button to add it. So you can see that the knowledge portal is populated with this media that you have selected. But you can see that the portal is not positioned quite well. So we're going to move it by using this grab button here. So we just press it, and then you can drag it out by moving yourself and using device. You can position it in a better place like this. So now your portal is ready. So now we're going to see how we can create a knowledge portal with camera AI. So we start by going to the object that we want to use the camera AI on. So we found this object, and now we're just going to use the plus button here. And this time we're going to select the AI button. And as usual, we need to set a point for this knowledge portal. So we're going to choose this one here and press OK. And now we need to give it a name. So we have to speak in the name for this portal. I say pan. And then the next step, we have this camera mode where we're going to take a snapshot of the object for the camera AI. So we're going to press this button here when you want to take the snapshot. So after you're taking the snapshot, the AI engine will query and search internet for a similar image as the one that you have taken. And then you can start to search and see which one is resembling the object that you have taken a picture of. And what we're looking for is the name same for the images. So and also the image that closely resembles the object. So here I have selected this one here on the right side. And then you can also refine the result. So you can continue to search deeper and get a better, more accurate result. But when you're finished with it, you just click the next to continue. So here we are going to select the keywords that they're going to use to query the result. So we're going to pick those words that we think are most describing, and then the app will use those words to search internet and query the result. And here is the query's result. We can select text, image, and video as before. And then you just press the add button here, and you can add those media to the portal. So like before, we need to also position the panel more better position. And there you have it, the knowledge portal using Camera AI. Now we're going to see how we can experience this knowledge portal. It's very easy. You just go to play mode, and then you just walk up to the portal and just click on it, and you can
Before
start
refrigeration, keeping food fresh was a pretty tough job. In those days, people used to salt their food or bury it in the snow to keep it fresh.
And as you can see,
Now,
there are
the refrigerator has
tabs
changed
on the button here, so
the
you
way
can
we
switch to another media by tapping on that button there. And for images, you can walk closer to get a better look at the image. And there is also something called carousel mode, where you can expand the media into a panorama view by clicking this button here. And by clicking it once more, you can also close it again.